Step on it. Drive faster. We're late. Step on it. The taxi driver stepped on it to reach the airport on time. Pull up. To stop a vehicle. The taxi pulled up in front of the house. He pulled up at the gas station to refuel. Pull over. To stop at the side of the road. The police officer signaled him to pull over. Can you pull over for a minute? I need to check my phone. Speed up. Drive faster. The driver sped up to overtake the truck. Can you speed up? We're running late. Slow down. Reduce speed. You need to slow down on this slippery road. The car slowed down before stopping at the red light. Hop in. Enter a vehicle quickly. He hopped in the taxi and told the driver to hurry. I hopped in my friend's car and we drove to the beach. Hop out of. Exit a vehicle quickly. She hopped out of the car and ran inside the house. They hopped out of the taxi as soon as it stopped. Back up. Reverse a vehicle. He backed up the car into the driveway. The truck backed up to unload goods. Ride along. Travel as a passenger. I rode along with my friend to the airport. The officer let me ride along in the police car. Flag down. Signal a vehicle to stop. She flagged down a taxi. We flagged down a bus to get a ride. Pick up. Collect someone in a vehicle. Can you pick me up from the station? She picked up her friend from the airport. Drop off. Leave someone at a place. He dropped off his kids at school. The taxi dropped me off in front of my hotel. Roll down. Lower a car window. He rolled down the window to ask for directions. Can you roll down the window? It's hot in here. Roll up. Raise a car window. She rolled up the window when it started raining. He rolled up the windows before leaving the car. Fill up. Put fuel in a vehicle. We need to fill up the tank before the trip. He filled up his motorcycle at the gas station. Run out of. Have no more fuel. We ran out of gas in the middle of nowhere. Check the fuel gauge so we don't run out of petrol. Cut in. Suddenly move in front of another vehicle. A reckless driver cut in and almost caused an accident. Be careful of drivers who cut in without signaling. Cut off. Block another vehicle's path. A truck cut me off on the highway. The motorcycle cut off a bus in traffic. Pull ahead. Move in front of another vehicle. Our car pulled ahead of the truck. The train pulled ahead after leaving the station. Set off. Begin a journey. We set off for our trip at sunrise. They set off early to avoid traffic. Buckle up. Fasten a seatbelt. The flight attendant reminded passengers to buckle up. Always buckle up before driving. Touchdown. Land for a plane. The plane touched down smoothly. We touched down in New York an hour ago. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground. The plane took off 10 minutes late. Fasten your seatbelt before the plane takes off. Stop by. Make a short visit while traveling. We stopped by a gas station for snacks. Can we stop by the supermarket on the way home? Wave down. Signal a driver to stop. She waved down a taxi in the rain. The policeman waved down the speeding car. Keep up with. Maintain the same speed as another vehicle. He struggled to keep up with the other cars. The runner kept up with the lead cyclist. Veer off. Suddenly change direction. The car veered off the road and hit a tree. The bus veered off the highway due to a tire blowout. Stack up. Form a line of vehicles due to traffic. Cars stacked up on the highway during rush hour. Traffic stacked up for miles because of the accident. Catch up with. Reach a moving vehicle or person. I ran to catch up with the bus, but it was too late. The cyclist caught up with the leader in the race. Break down. Stop working for a vehicle. Our car broke down on the way to the airport. The train broke down, causing a huge delay.